on iMovie, I was having some issues with the voiceover here when I click, and it gives the options to record, and I can hear the big noise, and I can say, hello, welcome, this is testing the voiceover. Let's see if it works or not. This is about the book. We are going to share with you. So I step here, and now I can see here a portion of the sound recorded, and when I play, actually there is no audio. And I found the small tricks here. The only thing that you can do to fix this problem is go to your setting here, and then earlier I was checking everything here, but that was not the case. So when you go to your setting, we see security and privacy, so click security and privacy, and then here if you scroll down something like this, there is no audio thing, so you have to give permission to click here to unlock. When you go here on your list, select microphone, and once you click the microphone, iMovie goes to the other side, and then give a check mark iMovie, and it says iMovie will not have access to your microphone until it is quit. So let me quit right now, and here you can see unlock. So okay, so I have given the full access. That should be fine. Now let's test if it works, the voiceover. When I click here the microphone, record voiceover, and this time actually you can see the small green signal, it is picking up my voice. So when I click, yes, I can hear beeps. Welcome back. Now yes, you can see my website and then some of the latest publications. So let me pause here. Okay, you can see clearly it's working. Let me replay. Welcome back. Now there you go. So all you needed is to check your privacy settings. Thank you for watching.